Welcome to the exciting world of sports management. Whether you're a working professional, an amateur athlete, or a fresh graduate, you can now transform your passion for sports into your profession. Do you dream of working in the dynamic world of sports, with opportunities for growth and contribution on multiple fronts? There is much to be optimistic about for anyone who has a passion for sports and big dreams to match. Introducing the Executive Postgraduate Program in Sports Management, designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this fast-paced and ever-evolving field. In this program, you will delve into various aspects of sports management through a well-designed hybrid pedagogy of online content and live sessions, networking events, cohort experiences through domestic and international immersions, and even a graduation ceremony. Our comprehensive curriculum is delivered through interactive online modules, allowing you to learn at your own pace and convenience. You will also engage with industry experts, collaborate with fellow students, and gain practical insights that will propel your career forward through industry experiences. All of this is possible through our flexible learning format, which allows you to balance your studies with your personal and professional commitments. Upon completion of the program, you'll receive a prestigious certificate validating your expertise in sports management, which is certified by the world's #1 sports management program from the University of Massachusetts. You'll also gain access to our vast alumni network, opening doors to a world of professional connections and opportunities. Join the Executive Postgraduate Program in Sports Management today and unlock your potential in the sports industry. The world of sports management is waiting for you. Start your journey today.